Why do new ventures fail? Because they're supposed to fail.
Because innovation is tricky.
As a founder, you have this idealistic view on how the solution looks like. And at the beginning, you're less willing to compromise on what the customer group really needs or is ready to receive.
Eric Ries, the author of Lean Startup, defines a startup as a human institution designed to create a new product or new service under conditions of extreme uncertainty.
A startup is a gigantic experiment where we test our hypotheses against the market and see if it actually makes sense to build a product or services.
You need to juggle between being perseverant and being patient to achieve this product market fit. And that's really, really hard.
This said, it is actually obvious that a startup is not just a smaller version of a large company, and that planning is not the right answer to tackle this uncertainty, but that it's learning.
So obviously you can do a lot to de-risk that process, but still be okay with the failure that comes with it.
Doing things for the first time never is easy.
That's why it's good to take a step back and know your mission really, really well. The way to achieve it can be very different.
If you want to learn how to make your business fail-proof,
how to do this properly, how to do this with a lot of experience.
Whether you're building a startup or a new product or service in an established company,
then come to our June 2nd event
and learn from experienced founders and experts in their fields.
Join the Venturer's Guide to Innovation on June 2nd at Accelerate,
where we will teach you and we will show you everything we learned in our years of experience de-risking the process of building sustainable startups. So see you there, and don't be square.